Hi, my name is Darlene Misiano, real estate broker owner at Remax Titanium. We are so excited to share this beautiful listing with you here in the neighborhood of Plantation in Leesburg, Florida. They have many little villages here in the plantation with lots and lots of amenities. This home is so well manicured. The lawn is beautiful. You have a 2-car garage with also an extension to it for your golf cart. You also have pavers throughout all the driveway. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to show it to you. Here in this neighborhood, there's so many things you can do. You have basketball, bocce ball, golf. You have your own private restaurant. So here's your front entry. I love the color of this house. Here's your formal dining room and your family room. I love the arches and the crown molding throughout the home. All of the lighting, the front door is glass, it's so pretty. And as you come over here, you have the split bedroom plan. So you have this room here with a closet, nice big windows, crown molding, beautiful ceilings, high doors, double door entry. So this could be a bedroom or it could be a den or an office, whatever you prefer. Now these cabinets do convey with the home, so you can use it as your built-in cabinets for your TV area. We're going to start on this side of the home. Over here is your gourmet, beautiful kitchen with your stone countertops, with your gourmet chef's sink, stainless steel sink with this beautiful onyx faucet. These cabinets, there's so many of them. But the nice part is they have tons of pullouts in all the cabinets, which is a great upgrade for you to have here in your beautiful home. It does have the crown molding throughout, beautiful lighting, beautiful fans, stainless steel refrigerator. Here's all your appliances, gorgeous backsplash. It's a nice light open. You have your breakfast bar right here, and then this could be your eat-in area, or you can make this your living room area, your family room area. You have lots and lots of space here. I love the arched windows and the privacy on the windows. All of the curtains are beautiful, and they convey. Now check out this amazing pantry. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? So the pantry's amazing. So if you love to cook and entertain, this may be your home, okay? Over here is another bedroom and the other bathrooms. You have your shower, you have beautiful quartz countertop, beautiful lighting. And over here is a Murphy bed, which conveys with the home also, which is super nice, with a nice sized closet in here. So when you're not using it, the Murphy bed can go up and then you can have lots of space. As you enter over here, you also have a linen closet here, like a coat closet. But here's your huge walk-in laundry room. It's huge and it's a great space for you to do your laundry with some nice appliances. Now check out this 2-car garage with the golf cart area. You have plenty of room for storage. You kind of have a workbench going on over there. This garage is oversized, huge garage. You have your garage door opener. This is such a beautiful garage. It's nice and wide open. And then you also have a door over there that you can exit that way. Now, your roof was built on 2021. Your water heater and your washer and dryer is 2020, and the bathroom upgrades were done in 2022, and the flooring was done in 2022. So now as we come over here, I want to just peek at this amazing backyard area. So you have a covered area here with hi-hats, a fan. It's so cool back here. You can just sit back here and relax. They have little cute little lights hanging on with your sliders. Real windows, and then you come back here to a paver caged in screened-in area. You could do so much with this area. You could bring a hot tub here if you want to, make a little cabana area, bar area. But here's the nice part. The property line goes all the way to that second area where all those beautiful plants are. So this is an extra oversized lot in a cul-de-sac. Beautiful landscaping throughout, I mean, this house is stunning. So come on this way and let's go check out the primary bedroom. And what we'll do is we'll go through this way so we can enter through the doors. Here's your primary bedroom. It's a great size, great windows. You do have your sliders where you can go in and out, especially over in the kitchen area. You have the 2 closets in here, the 2 walk-in closets here. But check out this primary bathroom. You have your separate area, commode area, a huge step-in shower. You even have a bench over here. You have your vanity with this beautiful quartz countertop, beautiful counters and cabinets, lights, high ceilings, crown molding, beautiful color paint. You don't have to do anything. You just move right in. You have your own pantry in here. This home is so beautiful. You definitely want to call Barry Summers, or you can call our office at Remax Titanium at 352-241-6363 to see this beautiful home. Thank you.